Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba, a YouTuber from Kenya, and this is ARUSHA Stadium in Arusha, Tanzania. Construction progress as of January 2026. Let's start from outside. You can see the exterior appearance of ARUSHA Stadium, how beautiful it is. Let's give China Railway Construction Engineering Group credit. They are doing a great job. You can see for yourself how beautiful the exterior is with the painting progress going on. You can see blue, green, there's also yellow and white. You can see for yourself what I'm talking about. This is Arusha Stadium in Tanzania, also known as Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium in Arusha, Tanzania. You can see for yourself. This stadium is going to host AFCON 2027, and you can see the painting progress is going on. Blue, green, yellow, and white. You can see how beautiful the stadium is. Let's give China Railway Construction Engineering Group credit. They are doing a great job. This project began back in 2024 and is expected to be complete this year, 2026. And you can see the massive progress as we talk what they have done so far with the painting. And also I'm going to show you inside how this stadium looks like. You can see for yourself. The total construction cost of Arusha Stadium, also known as Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium, is 112 million US dollars, which is equivalent to 286 billion Tanzania shillings. And you can see the massive progress for yourself. What has been done as of January 2026. The total capacity of this stadium is 30,000 spectators. You have heard me correct. You can see outside how this stadium looks like. The design of this Arusha Stadium in Tanzania comes from Mount Kilimanjaro, and you can see for yourself the massive progress. You can clearly see what they have done. I want to take you inside. You see what they have done so far, and this is what China Railway Construction Engineering Group has done. You can see the roofing, the playing pitch, the sitting area, everything. You can see for yourself what they have done so far. Let's give them credit. They are doing a great job. The city capacity of this stadium is 30,000 spectators. This is a multi-purpose stadium. Can host football, rugby, even athletics inside main arena. And you can see progress, what is going on. Men at work. You can see that. Men at work to make sure this stadium is complete by early this year 2026, as this stadium is going to host AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations 2027, among other stadiums in Tanzania. This will not be the largest stadium in Tanzania, but among the largest stadiums and most beautiful stadiums in Tanzania. You can see for yourself. Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda are going to host AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations 2027, and they are preparing by constructing 3 mega stadiums. In Kenya, there is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. In Tanzania, we have ARUSHA Stadium, also known as Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium in Arusha, Tanzania. In Uganda, they have already constructed Hoima City Stadium in Hoima City, Uganda. You can see what China Railway Construction Engineering Group has done so far here in Arusha. The playing pitch progress, the roofing progress, the city progress of this stadium. You can see for yourself. Let's give them credit. They are doing a great job. If you are new here, like the video and subscribe. This is Arusha Stadium, also known as Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium in Arusha, Tanzania. The construction progress as of January 2026. You can see for yourself. Let's keep enjoying the updates of this stadium. Alright, what are your thoughts concerning construction progress of Arusha Stadium as of January 2026. What are your thoughts concerning the construction progress of Arusha Stadium as of January 2026? Give your opinions on the comments section. And this is in Tanzania. For Tanzanians in East Africa, this Arusha Stadium, also known as Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium in Tanzania, will be a game changer in the industry of football in Africa.